Hey folks, Bob here again. Alright, we're over at the car corral this time. And what we have here is a Ford Starliner. I believe this is a 62 or 63. See if it has a 61. A nice car you got. What year is it now? Okay, I saw the plate. I thought that's what it was. You don't see these very often. This is beautiful.
Yeah, I like it pretty good.
Yeah, I bet. You should. You can see how they did the three little stars on the pillar post. That is nice how they did that. That is really. These cars were quite quick in NASCAR too. 428. I did not know they put 428s on though. That is interesting. I learned something. I thought this was a 406. Beautiful body style. I always like these. 15-inch wheels. Come on now. And he's a member. Winston-Salem Centennial. Okay, I guess that's just the head of it too. Boy, they made some cool cars back in the day. See how they did this in gold? That is so beautiful. The accent trim on the bottom right here, the quarter panels. Oh man, look at this. Look at the finish panel here.